Now, this is in relation to the premises.
Oh, that's a bit too wide angle. Why is that?
Now, technically, I'm
Oh,
going to fix this, John. So I'm going to fix it first, okay, then you can take it off, right? Then we can talk about it, all right?
Where's the wide angle on this thing?
You had trouble with that last time I said, I mustn't be photogenic.
No, that's not what I want. There it is.
Okay, come out here, John, come out here.
Yeah, out you go.
Alright.
Hey? Yeah, good idea. That's a good idea.
John,
Let's keep it up.
legislation requires me to affix this, so you can take it off and you can talk about it, okay? I have to affix it,
Are you kidding?
No, not. There must be a problem with the mortgage, okay?
No, there's never been a court of proper jurisdiction.
Well, you know between you and the Supreme Court or whatever.
Do you know your duty? Your duty is to ensure that people can exercise their rights in court in safety.
I believe you're a dental surgeon.
Do you know
I'm
that?
a sheriff's officer.
Yeah, you don't know what you're doing. I know what I'm doing. You don't know what you're doing.
Solve the legal matters. Now, listen, I don't want to be here on the 9th of September. Okay? Can you resolve this, please? Now, listen.
I want to get into court. I want to get into a proper court.
You can apply to have a stay proceedings and a hearing on this matter. Okay? Now, listen, have you got a pen? I'll write down the solicitors' names in case you'd like to talk to them. But
Gazans, they're a bunch of crooks.
you don't want to talk to them? Okay, well, listen. The only way this can be stopped then is by you lodging an application for a stay proceedings.
I want to get into court. I want to get into court, but a proper court.
Okay, well, listen,
Not the kangaroo courts we've got here.
listen, okay, well, I have got no jurisdiction about that.
Do you understand the kangaroo courts?
I understand, yes, but listen, I'm not interested in kangaroo courts at this stage.
You are, because you're the sheriff. It's your job.
I
It's
carry
your
out
job.
the judgments, enforcement for the short.
Illegally. It's an illegal judgment.
John.
Don't you have a conscience?
I surely do. Now,
Well,
John,
why don't you
John,
exercise your conscience
John, listen,
and
I
do
don't
what's
want to
right?
be here on that day, right? I don't want to be here, okay? So whatever you do, make sure you resolve it, okay?
I'm trying to resolve it legally in court, in a proper court. These pack of criminals and traitors who run our courts, you know, don't you? They disregard our rights. They overrule our laws.
If you've got an issue with the law,
Yeah.
then you go get an expert to run your case for you.
No way,
okay?
they're crooks. They're a whole bunch of
Listen,
lawyers and judges are crooks.
If you're a dental surgeon, you don't go starting breeding cattle, do you? Because you're not an expert in that field. So get an expert in the field.
I'd
and
soon
run
find
your
out
case.
about it. If I wanted to do it, I'd learn more than the experts.
So
so-called
it will
experts.
give me no satisfaction or no pleasure to have to evict you from these
Well, you
premises.
shouldn't, because if you've got a conscience...
Listen, just let me look, I'm here to let you know you've got to do something.
I'm doing it all the time.
Well, listen, make sure it's done.
I'm doing it
Very
all the time.
swiftly.
You make sure you do your job.
I'll be here if you don't
That's not
resolve
your
it.
job. Your job is to ensure that people can exercise their rights.
I've told you very many times.
You are disregarding your duty.
I enforce all
You don't enforce. You enforce.
We agree to disagree, okay? Hopefully I don't have to return, John, and I wish you well, okay?
You do your job.
Okay, John. Listen, please attend to it. Please attend to it. I don't want to come back.
Come back right on there. I forgot to turn those on you. I put it on now.
No.
I got it here.
No.